Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Netflix black screen on Discord. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is open up your browser, and then here on the top right corner you'll see the three dot icon, right? Simply click on that, and once you click on it, click on settings. And once you're inside settings, here on the search bar, simply type in acceleration. And once you do that, here you'll see this option, use hardware acceleration when available. Now, if it's turned on, then turn it off and then tap on relaunch. And that's to properly fix the issue. And if that doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is just go to your Discord and then click on settings, and here scroll down and then click on voice and video. And once you're here, scroll down, and then here under this you'll see an option that says open as 264 video codec provided by Cisco Systems. Just toggle this option off and then try again. And if that doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is just scroll down and then you'll find this option that is use our latest technology to capture your screen. Toggle this off and then try again, and that's it, basically fix the issue. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.